Hi, I'm voice and audition coach Jessica Neighbor, and in this video, you're going to learn how to not lose your voice on Zoom. I've been a voice coach for over 20 years, supporting public speakers and singers for how to use their voice in the best way, and I'm going to share our tried and true tips with you right now for Zoom. So the first thing that I highly advise you do is to do a quick warm-up before that first early bird meeting in the morning. Whatever it is for you, with some face warm-ups, some body stretches that will make you feel more relaxed, because we don't want to hold tension in our voice. That's going to turn into possible chronic injury that we want to really avoid right now. I have a full warm-up exercise tutorial. You can check that out, and that will help walk you through exactly what you need to do. Another couple of really important things to make sure you have ready before you click on that Zoom meeting is a wonderful water bottle. And I want to make sure you're using a big one, right? 8 cups of water a day is the least you want to be drinking, 64 full ounces. So you want to stay hydrated. Using hydration for our voice is like having oil in an engine. We don't work without it. So make sure you're hydrating. Another thing I highly advise you use is an external microphone. I have the Blue Yeti because I also record singers. You don't necessarily have to have anything that fancy, but any kind of external mic, maybe on your earbuds, is going to make a big difference, and it's going to make you not feel like you have to talk as loudly, which will wear out your voice a lot faster than if you're using a good mic. Earbuds are also really nice, or headphones in your ear, so that you're hearing well, because if we don't hear as well, we tend to talk louder on Zoom. I have a full vocal health checklist that I'm sharing with you in the link below. That is my gift to you. You're welcome to use it and look over the full list. I also have another tutorial video all about speech skills. The one thing I want to point out right now is that we want to make sure that we're being engaging by enunciating and by using our entire face to engage our listener, because video on Zoom can flatten us and we are going to feel like we have to work a bit harder. And what we tend to do is we tend to make our poor voice in our throat work the hardest. Use your face, use your entire body to be expressive on Zoom. Don't put all the heavy lifting on your voice. And finally, I want to go over the important warning signs to pay attention to if your voice is actually running out of steam. I once interviewed a speech pathologist at a hospital, and he reminded me that our voices are like batteries. They only have so much charge before they run out. So you want to be really strategic in how you schedule your meetings throughout the day. You want to take vocal breaks in between those meetings. You want to be hydrating and perhaps doing a little quick stretch in between to just keep yourself in really good physical form. And then by the end of the day, make a mental note about what sort of shape your voice is in. Is it feeling hoarse? Is it feeling swollen? When you go to swallow, does it feel irritated? Those are warning signs that we're using our voice too much or in the incorrect way, which can lead to some serious vocal damage. So you want to make sure you're resting, you're hydrating, and you're pacing yourself. Again, check out that vocal health checklist. It'll give you lots of great tools and wonderful remedies to help heal your voice at the end of a busy Zoom meeting day. And if you even want to take it a step further and get really good vocal support from me, I'm inviting you to join me on my online course. It's a complete series that walks you through with PDFs and MP3s all about how to really protect your voice, and it's a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. So enjoy yourself on Zoom. It's what we're all doing these days, but do protect your vocal instrument. It's gonna be so important for you to, really maintain and pace yourself in this new day and age we're living through. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe, like, let me know a comment. If you've got a question for me, I'm more than happy to reach out to you. At the end of the day, rest your voice, be safe, be sound, take deep breaths, and we'll all get through this together. Thanks so much for listening.